having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 10,500 of you. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the Lush kitchen box for October. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I absolutely love the seasonal boxes for the kitchen box. I feel like I love it all year round, don't get me wrong, but when it's October and it's Halloween and we've got Christmas and Valentine's Day, I feel like they do make a bit more of an effort with the boxes and they are very themed. So I'm so excited to dive into this one today. I have no idea what's in this box. However, I will just say one thing. When I received this in the post yesterday, it did come opened. I promise you I have not opened it. I did get Ryan to have a peek inside just to make sure that all the contents was in here, and apparently it is. There is one thing in here that is slightly broken though, but I said that was fine. So he said it's not necessarily megally broken, it's like a little breakage. So we're gonna dive in anyway. I just thought I could let you guys know the postman clearly got very excited with my Lush box and opened it. But anyway, we are gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. I feel like I do just need to show you the inside of this box. This is what I mean. I feel like the Halloween boxes just look great. Similarly with with Christmas, they just put a little bit more effort into it and I love it. I kind of wish they're a bit more themed every month, whether that be like retro or new things that haven't come out yet. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, but I love this. I'm so excited. So let's dive in. Oh, okay, the first thing we have, this is adorable and I feel like I'm never going to want to actually use this, is a little notebook that has Lush on it. That's so cute. It's a small little notebook. It has Lush on it. It has Lush printed on the inside. The only thing with hardback notebooks I hate is I feel like you can't get a good bendage on the book without really ruining the spine. So that is like my OCD just niggling in a little bit, but this is adorable. I love stuff like this. I think things like this in the boxes just make it that little bit more special and exciting. So I'm so excited about that. Oh, okay, we then have, this is so cute. This is a limited edition pin badge, which I absolutely love. Again, I feel like Lush should do these in like every other box or something, because can you just imagine like a denim jacket with all of these on? It would be so cute. But this is just a little pin badge that says Lush and it's kind of got that Halloween slime kind of vibe. So I'm really excited about that. So love it. So now moving on to all of the products. I think there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had a brief look at the sheet without looking at the sheet. So there's 5 things in here. So let's dive into, let's go for a bottled one first. First thing we have, I haven't even seen it, I've seen the back, is Ghost shower gel. Now, I actually really liked the smell of Ghost. I've only ever smelt it in the bath melt form, I think, but this is what I mean. Like, look at that packaging, absolutely beautiful. I love that. Let's give it a smell and then we'll go through the ingredients. It just smells really fresh, kind of like, hear me out, you're on holiday, you've gone to like a water park, you're washing your hair in the shower. That's the kind of smell, like a really fresh, clean smell. Weird, I know, but that is what it smells like. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got white lily infusion, white wine vinegar, jasmine absolute, neroli oil, ylang ylang oil, almond oil. Yummy. That's so good. And again, absolutely generous size. I am so excited about that. So that is Ghost shower gel. Amazing. Next up, moving on, there is another bottled item, so I'm going to go for that one before my hands get absolutely covered in everything else. So we have Potion body lotion. Again, look at the packaging, and these together, just so cute. So this one says, an elixir of spicy floral magic, rose enchants, hang on, I cannot read what I'm saying. Rose enchants while tangerine draws your mind into a soothed state. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that smells really good. It's kind of got a very, it's got a very like expensive smell, really luxurious. Let's just try a little bit on the back of my hand to see what it smells like actually on the skin. That smells really nice. It kind of smells like, it smells a little bit like oaty almost. It's like a really expensive, I'll tell you what it smells like. That smells like the Wenoir hair conditioner treatment, but mixed with like Dove. Does that make sense? It smells really good though. Really nostalgic. I love that. Ingredients wise, we have rose petal infusion, cocoa butter, tangerine extract, rose absolute, and tangerine oil. Doesn't smell very tangerine-y. It just smells kind of like Dove, but in a nice way. Does that make sense? Anyway, I love that. And again, a really nice size bottle, so I'm very happy with that. The next item in the box is, let's go for this one. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a little tiny ghost. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see it or not because of the lights on my... I was going to say the lights on my lights, but the lights... Ooh, wait. Is that Collis scented? Or has it touched something else? That smells really good. I am going to have to look at the sheet just to see what this is. So this is the Banana Ghost Shower Bomb. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Shower bombs are not my favourite. I've mentioned this before. I just cannot get them to work for me. I don't know why. However, I think this would be a really good size bath bomb. So I'm probably just going to use it as a bath bomb. Going up my nose. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got potato starch, cream of tartar, tonka absolute, benzoin, resinoid, and vanilla absolute. Oh, it actually has fresh banana and gardenia extract in it too. Doesn't smell very banana-y. The bottom smells like Collis and I'm thinking something else might smell like it in there. But on the top, it kind of smells like Play-Doh, but like in a really good way. Does that make sense? Oh, yum. So cute. Look at that. Delicious. So next up, I am going to go for this one, and this is the one that Ryan said is a little bit broken, so I do apologise. However, this is Seymour from the horror makeup show. What's it called? Mean Green Monster from Outer Space. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. What is this called? Hang on, I'm gonna have to Google it because I cannot remember. Plant Monster. That has to be that. Am I wrong? He sings that song, Feed Me Seymour, because that guy's name is Seymour. What film is this from? The horror something? Not the Rocky Horror Picture Show because that's different. Little Shop of Horrors. That is what that is called. Okay, so that is the plant and I can't remember his name, but is that not supposed to be that? Am I wrong? Anyway, moving on. Smell wise, this smells like Collis. I was right, I knew that something smelled like Collis. Such a beautiful smell. I will go through the ingredients, so just to go over this again, this one is the Mean Green Monster from Outer Space, and the ingredients in this one we have got neroli oil, cream of tartar, lime oil, glycerin, cornstarch, olibanum resinoid, but it smells like Collis, which to me smells kind of like sour, like a sour sweet almost, but a really nice like lime berry sour sweet. So good. I absolutely love Collis. So that is that one, which is definitely from Little Shop of Horrors. I don't care what anyone says. I'm not going crazy. And last but definitely not least, we have got, do you know what, I feel like this box has been really good. Like I said at the start of this video, I always think that the Halloween, Christmas, that kind of thing, these kitchen boxes are the best. So if they could all be this great, be amazing. But anyway, the last item we have got is, I think, a bath bomb, and this is the Cobweb bath bomb. That is so cute. I love that. And ingredients wise, before we smell it, we have got black sugar, which I've never even heard of black sugar before. Black sugar, chamomile blue oil, lavender absolute, olibanum oil. Let's smell it. Oh yeah. So this smells, what does it smell like? What is it? It's on the tip of my tongue. It's not Twilight. It's a more raw lavender smell. Kind of like a French kiss, bubble bar. You know what I mean? Like it's like a very pure lavender from the garden smell. Really relaxing, and I love the look of that. That's so pretty. Oh, delish. Yeah. Love it. It's kind of like a greyish... yeah, it's definitely grey, isn't it? It's not purple. Kind of matches the wall behind me. Believe it or not, my walls are actually white, but they always look grey. But yeah, love that. Yum. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for October. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I do apologise. I'm not very Halloweenified. It is currently 7 minutes to 9 at night on a Tuesday, so I didn't have a lot of time to Halloweenify myself. If I had it my way, I'd have black background, I would have Halloween makeup on, but here we are on a random Tuesday evening. But I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and I would love to know down below what you thought of this month's box. I thought it was amazing for the value, for the money. We got a notebook, a pin, a bath bomb, shower bomb, bubble bath, body lotion, and a shower gel that's a medium size, and I just think that is a really good, generous amount. So I wish that they were like this every month, like I said, because sometimes you get just 5 items, and we've got 5 items plus the book and the pin, and one of the items was medium sized. I just think that's really, really good. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I would love to hit 11,000 this year. That is my ultimate dream for 2022. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please make I'm getting too excited. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.